Here is an overview of what we are going to cover in this course. We will begin with an overview of ElasticSearch, LogStash, and Kibana, which is also known as ELK stack in short. Then we will focus on ElasticSearch only in the rest of the course. LogStash and Kibana are discussed at length in separate courses in this course series. In the concept run-through, we will go through the overview, features, and key components of ElasticSearch. We will differentiate between its basic and advanced features. After we have gone through the theory, we will dive deep and understand the installation and configuration processes of ElasticSearch. Lastly, we will explore some real-world examples of using this tool. In the light of the course overview, what can you actually expect to take away from this course? By the end of this course, you will be equipped with enough information for effective use of ElasticSearch, should you choose to use it in your software projects. For the large number of benefits and leverages offered by ElasticSearch, you will be able to install and use it. Since this course provides detailed demos of installation and configuration of ElasticSearch, it will equip you well for the future use of this technology. ElasticSearch helps in expanding and scaling your software projects. Not only that, it makes them more meaningful as well by making better sense of your data. The data really comes to life and lends some meaningful insights, especially when you use ElasticSearch along with LogStash and Kibana. Since this is a new and improved way to manage the information and data effectively, you will get better at collating and using this information. The more equipped you are, the more sought after you will be, and this course will be a right step towards improving your work, project, and career prospects.